Welcome to Digitech Dynamo. In today's video, we're going to create an amazing project, controlling a servo motor using an IR remote with real-time feedback on an I2C LCD display. Before we jump into the code and circuit, let's take a quick look at the components you'll need for this project. Arduino Uno or Nano IR receiver module, Servo motor, SG90 or similar, I2C LCD display, jumper wires, breadboard, IR remote control. Now, let's talk about how to connect the components. IR receiver, connect the signal pin to pin 11 on the Arduino, VCC to 5 volts, and GND to GND. Servo motor, connect the signal wire to pin 9, power to 5 volts, and GND to GND. I2C LCD display, connect the SDA and SCL pins to the Arduino's SDA and SCL, A4 and A5 on the Arduino Uno. Once your connections are ready, we move on to the Arduino code. Let me explain the main parts of the code. Include libraries. We've included the necessary libraries for controlling the IR receiver, servo motor, and I2C LCD display. Include IRremote.h, include servo.h, include wire.h, include liquid crystal I2C.h. Pin and object setup. We've defined pin 11 for the IR receiver and pin 9 for the servo. We've also created objects for the servo and LCD display. Define IR pin 11, define servo pin 9. Servo my servo, IR rec viv, IR pin. Liquid crystal I2C, LCD, X27, 16, 2. Displaying messages on LCD. When the project starts, it shows a welcome message and then displays default text. LCD.set cursor 0, LCD.print Digitech Dynamo. IR remote functionality. We've mapped 3 IR codes to control the servo motor's position and display the servo step on the LCD. If results.value equal 4F, myservo.write, LCD.print step 1. If results.value equals 0 FF9867, myservo.write 90. LCD print step 2. If results.value equals 0x FFD827, myservo.write 135. LCD.print step 3. Now let's see how it works. When I press button 1 on the remote, the servo moves to step 1, and the LCD displays servo step 1. When I press button 2, the servo moves to step 2, and similarly for step 3. This project can be used in various applications, such as Robotics Projects. Use the servo motor for controlling robotic arms. DIY home automation. Control home appliances or doors remotely. Learning electronics. A great project for beginners to learn about Arduino, servo motors, and IR communication. That's all for today's video. We've learned how to control a servo motor using an IR remote and how to display the servo's position on an LCD. If you found this project interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more exciting electronics and Arduino projects.